Imagine waking up to find your computer screen frozen with a cryptic error message. Your business operations are paralyzed, your bank accounts are inaccessible, and flights around the world are being cancelled. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a real-life crisis triggered by a single software update from CrowdStrike. Let's rewind to when it all began. Windows 10 users worldwide experienced the dreaded blue screen of death, not just in isolated incidents, but on a massive scale. What started as a routine update quickly escalated into a global IT nightmare. Airports, companies, banks, and government offices were among the hardest hit. Picture the chaos. Airport terminals packed with frustrated travelers, businesses scrambling to find workarounds, and financial transactions coming to a standstill. Social media was instantly flooded with images and complaints. One user on X, formerly Twitter, posted, "Something super weird happening right now. Just been called by several totally different media outlets in the last few minutes. All with Windows machines suddenly BSODing. Anyone else seen this?" Another user from Malaysia shared on Reddit, "Malaysia here, 70% of our laptops are down and stuck in boot. HQ from Japan ordered a company-wide shutdown. Someone's getting fire blasted for this, LMAO." Within hours, CrowdStrike acknowledged the issue. They traced the problem back to their Falcon sensor, which was causing Windows hosts to crash. The company's support page read, "CrowdStrike is aware of reports of crashes on Windows hosts related to the Falcon sensor. Symptoms include hosts experiencing a bug check/blue screen error related to the Falcon sensor. Our engineering teams are actively working to resolve this issue, and there is no need to open a support ticket." Despite these reassurances, the damage had been done. Critical services were disrupted, and businesses were left counting the costs of the outage. CrowdStrike's swift response highlighted the importance of transparency and quick action in crisis management, but it also underscored the fragility of our digital infrastructure. The economic and societal impacts of the CrowdStrike update were profound. Microsoft reported that 8.5 million devices were affected, which might seem like a small percentage of all Windows machines. However, the incident's reach was far and wide, affecting critical operations across various sectors. For instance, the Minister of Civil Aviation of India, Kinjarappan Ramakrishnan, stated that airline systems across Indian airports resumed normal operations by the end of the day. However, the disruption had already led to the cancellation of several flights, causing significant inconvenience for passengers. One such passenger described the scene at the airport. "It was a sea of people, all confused and agitated. The check-in counters were down, and there was no clear communication. It was a nightmare." Meanwhile, in the financial sector, 5 Indian asset management reported disruptions. Although the issues were resolved by the end of the day, the initial panic was palpable. The mutual fund industry's AMFE stated, "Out of the 44 AMCs, 5 reported disruptions to some important functions, which were resolved during the day and did not have any material impact on operations." The stock market responded predictably to the chaos. CrowdStrike's shares plummeted by 20% in early trading, a clear signal of shaken investor confidence. Microsoft's shares also dipped, though less dramatically, reflecting the broader impact on their ecosystem. Industry experts were quick to weigh in on the significance of this event. Richard Steenan, a cybersecurity industry analyst, described it as a historic mistake by CrowdStrike. He stated, "This is easily the worst faux pas, technical faux pas or glitch of any security software provider ever. While the problem is an easy technical fix, its impact could be long-lasting for some organizations because of the hands-on work needed to fix each affected computer." The broader implications of this outage were evident in various sectors. McDonald's Corp, United Airlines, and the London Stock Exchange were among the major companies that disclosed issues. For many, it was a stark reminder of the risks associated with centralized digital services and the importance of having robust contingency plans. This incident serves as a powerful case study in the importance of crisis management and the need for diversified IT strategies. The rapid escalation of the outage and the subsequent global disruption highlighted the vulnerabilities inherent in our interconnected world. Businesses that relied heavily on a single cybersecurity provider found themselves particularly exposed. experts are now advocating for a multi-cloud strategy where IT infrastructure is distributed across multiple service providers. This approach can mitigate the risk of widespread disruption if one provider faces issues. As one cybersecurity expert noted, what really causes this mess is that we rely on very few companies, and everybody uses the same folks, so everyone goes down at the same time. In the aftermath, both CrowdStrike and Microsoft committed to conducting thorough root cause analyses and implementing workflow improvements to prevent future incidents. CrowdStrike CEO George Kurtz stated, "We understand how this issue occurred and are doing a thorough root cause analysis to determine how this logic flaw occurred. This effort will be ongoing. We are committed to identifying any foundational or workflow improvements that we can make to strengthen our process." The incident also spurred discussions about the need for better coordination between cybersecurity firms and their clients. As businesses continue to digitize their operations, the importance of robust, fail-safe systems cannot be overstated. The CrowdStrike update fiasco is a stark reminder of the double-edged sword that is our reliance on technology. While it enables incredible efficiencies and global connectivity, it also introduces significant vulnerabilities. This incident underscores the need for businesses to develop comprehensive contingency plans and diversify their IT strategies. As we move forward, the lessons learned from this incident will hopefully lead to more resilient and adaptable digital infrastructures. In the meantime, businesses and individuals alike must remain vigilant and prepared for the unexpected twists that technology can bring.